Hello, my name is Rob Garner. I'm a computer programming instructor, and today I'm going to demonstrate how to delete items from a database. So let's see what we did before. The last thing we did is we created an update function. And today we're going to demonstrate how to make a delete function. So we're going to start with our table. We're going to make in our repo, we're going to make a delete function. Find delete item in TBL demo. And we just need a row ID for this. It's going to be very similar to the previous code. And the command for this will be delete from TBL demo. And the delete statement looks like this. Delete from table name where some column equals some value. So we need that where clause to figure out what we want. And so we're going to pick where row ID is equal to question. So we just need now just the row ID here. Nothing too complex. Just take the row ID, pass it to here, and this will delete. Now, if you don't put this where clause, it'll actually delete the whole table. So it's very important to have this where clause. So that's our delete functionality. Now let's look at our app. And this is pretty common thing we need to do. So maybe what we'll do is we'll say this is get row ID from user, and in our view we will make a function and so make it more generic, and then that way and I didn't use the naming conventions for Python, so we'll do that. Normally in Python we do everything in lowercase and make it snake case, and I resorted to Pascal case. Okay, so we've got our get item from user, etc. Okay, so now we need to do our delete. So here we'll add in a delete option. It's going to look similar to this, so I'll copy that. Or at least I'll copy this part. So if we're doing delete, we're now going to say get ID from user, and then we will say delete item from TBL demo, and we'll pass in that row ID. And we'll run this. And so let's say now we want to delete item 4. We'll hit delete. Enter ID 4, and it's deleted it. Now, usually with a delete, we want to be extra sure the user really wants to delete. So what we might do in here is do this. We might say is sure is equal to input So we'll only do this if they say they're sure. So it won't do it unless you type yes completely. And then what we might add to this is an elif else print. So if I put some gibberish in here, it does that. And then I think the other thing I want to do here is put a print statement at the bottom, just to always make sure that there's an extra carriage return between the previous work and the end. There's the details. And then if you want to make it move a little bit more smoothly, what you might do is in your view, display an item. Maybe what we'll do is we'll do this. And this is kind of nice because what it will do is it'll pause the action when we if I view 3, it'll sit there so that we can watch it, and then it'll continue on. And that makes for a fairly nice database application that's a console-based application. Thank you very much.